This is the GBH 432 DFR Professional Multi-Hammer. This powerful tool with chisel function and quick change chuck offers a versatile range of applications. The GBH 432 DFR drills up to 30% faster than comparable tools in its class. SDS Plus enables fast accessory changes every time. The Bosch vibration control guarantees a low vibration level even in tough applications like cutting slots, and therefore makes work more comfortable. Even jobs involving larger diameters, such as drilling 82mm holes, are no problem for the GBH 432 DFR Professional. Experience for yourself the fastest multi-hammer in the 4 kg class, the GBH 432 DFR Professional.